You want to get back on the court. And that's your agent. I want to get you there. But we are in a lockout.
There are no actual games to watch.
You think these fools, these rich white dudes, gonna let these sexiest sport fall by the wayside?
This team's my family. I need us to be one big family again.
Football is fun, but it don't sell sneakers. To move merch and inspire rap lyrics, they need your services.
The NBA wanted control of a game that we played better. They invented a game on top of a game.
I can see a whole infrastructure that put the control back in the hands of those behind the ball.
What you gonna do?
But I'm about to pull up a chair.
My God ain't right.
We're at the height of the information era. We need a story.
What are you doing, man? This is my career.
You have a chance, sir, to do what has never been done before.
Come on, man.
Give him the rock.
I don't want to do that.
This is the matchup everyone's been dying to see.
24 million people saw the video.
I'm not thinking of breaking up our happy marriage.
What you saw yesterday was just the beginning
Oh man, this is getting crazy.
of what could be a whole new industry.
He's up to something.
You did all that?
You know the league would have blackballed me.
You scared?
We don't need the lead. We are disruptors. It's your game now.
You were born for way more than this. Don't let them fool you.